Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to record clips on ClickUp. Once you're inside ClickUp, guys, just simply look to the upper right hand side. You'll see a little camera icon here and you just need to click on it. It says record a clip. So if you click on that or even press Ctrl and Alt and S, you will see right there that you can record a clip. It's going to also ask for your microphone access as well. So you can say allow this time. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click and record a clip right here while allowing this. And as you can see right there that I'm going to choose which one of my screens I want to record. So I'm going to choose this specific screen right here, then click on record. And guys, it is currently start to record my screen. So I'm going to just basically move around here. Then I'm going to stop it. And as you can see, it has the video right here. And this is the video. I'm going to go ahead and kind of make it larger and do a quick playback to record my screen. So I'm going to just basically move around here. And as you can see, it is done right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. So this is how you can easily go ahead and record your screen on ClickUp, guys. I really hope you found that useful. As you can see, this is the video right here. You can always copy the video. You can use it to create a task from the video. You can even open it in a new tab. And pretty much you can even save that video as well. So that's how easy it is, guys, to record a video in ClickUp. Very easy and very simple.